Service Cloud has the ability to upload data into a data object with the Import tool. Are there other ways this tool can help you? Let's start with a quick recap of how the Import tool works. Choose the correct data type for your import. Make sure you are using a CSV file or it will not show in the list of available files for import. Fill in a template name and select Save As Template on the Home tab in the ribbon. Under the Column Mapping section, there will be a list of columns from your spreadsheet and the fields that they are mapped to. In each line of the column and file, verify that it is mapped to the correct Service Cloud field. If you have values in your spreadsheet you would not like to update during the import, select Ignore on Update. Default value can be set to insert information when an imported record does not contain data for the column. It is important to mention if you have any notes that you would like to add to your uploaded entries, they will need to be added at the time of creation and cannot be added afterwards. Select Next and your import will be evaluated for errors. Note that the results are in the content pane. If there are no reported errors, choose Next and your data will be imported. You're done! Now that we have reviewed how the Data Import Wizard works, there are a couple of ways that you can use the Data Import Wizard to help you with everyday activities. First, with multiple record updates. Multi-edit editors only allow a maximum of 250 records to be updated at a time. With the Import Wizard, you can update up to 1 million records during an upload. Second, creating relationships with other objects. There are times when you need to associate multiple records with another object. The Import Wizard can help you with this. If you have creative or interesting ways that you use the Data Import Wizard, share in the comments below. If you want to learn more about CPI, please visit us at CPI.Solutions.